So you got a low battery alert message on your home alert system panel. You determined that it must be due to your old system battery in your main control panel, and that battery needs to be replaced. So you did some research and found this video by ADT showing you exactly how to replace the battery yourself. It looks easy enough, so you walk over to your system panel, open it up, and what the heck? 2 batteries? And this thing is packed with wires and circuit boards? They didn't show that in their video. And one of the circuit boards is right on top of one of the batteries. How in the world am I going to disconnect the red wire without getting my fingers all over this? It's okay, no need to panic. You still follow the steps in the ADT video, but I'll just add a few things. So go watch that video now if you haven't already. Then come back here. I'll wait. Did you watch it? Good. Now let's tackle your real-world situation. First, you'll want to order new batteries. They sell those on Amazon and other places, and a link to the ones I bought are in the description below. Then, once you have the batteries, you'll want to disarm your alarm system, then put your system into test mode so that the police are not called to your house during this process. Okay, now that you're really ready, go ahead and unplug the plugs from the power outlet, like they say in the ADT video. I noticed mine were zip-tied in place and not exactly built to dangle from the wires, so I placed mine on a folded-up folding chair temporarily. Next, remove the door to the service panel to make working on it easier. Then, gently glide out one battery. Remove the black wire from the black diode. Then the red wire from the red diode. Set that old battery aside, take your new battery, remove the plastic covers from your new battery diodes, and connect your new battery, black wire first, then red. Then do the same with the other battery. Gently slide it out. Unplug black. Unplug red. Replace the battery with a new one. Plug in black. Plug in red. And slide it into place. Right around now, your system might start beeping at you, citing a break in the circuitry, and that's okay. Just go disarm your system to turn off the beeping. Give it a chance to correct itself. Then plug your plugs back in the wall and recheck your panel to be sure all is good. It should be if you did everything right. Once you've verified all is good, you can hang the panel door back in place, lock it up, and turn off your system's test mode. That's it. Easy peasy. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers!